So what we have here is a Nissan Dualis. Another reason why you should hit Nissans. So the customer complaint was that there was no light here. So here you're supposed to see the shift indicator or the PRNDL light. Okay. It's not visible now because the ECU is unplugged. What happened is that Nissan, in the infinite wisdom, put the ECUs right here. So it's usually bolted here. Now there's supposed to be a plug here to stop water from going into the ECU. And the plug was missing. For what reason? They did an engine wash to clean up the engine bay to make it look all nice. You know, like putting lipstick on a pig. And this is what happened. The guy who washed the engine said, well, water didn't go there, just a little bit of water, but this looks like a lot of water. So then we had to do some repairs on ACM because some of the traces got damaged, so we have to run little jumpers. Right. So let me show you what's happening now. So now we have P, R, N, D, and 1. So before, when you put it in D, it wasn't showing up. And you put it across in Tiptronic mode, it wasn't showing up. But now it is. So how did we know that the problem was with the ECU and not something else? So when we looked at the schematic, this wire here is the D signal wire. So there's two powers coming into the neutral safety switch. This one here goes to D. So what we do, we use a test light and we checked here. When you put it in D, it was lighting. When we checked up here on the ECM, when you put it in D, it was lighting. So we know that the power or the signal is coming to the ECM, but it was not displaying. And then you look at the other clues on the system that we have, because what we use the senses that was given to you by God. Best way to start a diagnosis, you use your eyes, you use your ears, you use your nose. So we use those things and we were able to figure out that this was bad.